Here we discuss about the 5 morning drinks that glow your skin and make a glass like. Number 1. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties which can help to protect the skin from damage and promote healthy glow. It can also help to reduce inflammation and redness and improve the skin elasticity. Number 2. Lemon water. Lemon water is a refreshing and hydrating drink that can help to flush out toxins and brighten the skin. Lemons are also a good source of vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Number 3. Turmeric and ginger water. Turmeric and ginger water are both known for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Drinking a glass of turmeric and ginger water in the morning can help to reduce inflammation and redness and improve skin health. Number 4. Aloe Vera Juice. Aloe Vera Juice is a natural moisturizer that can help to hydrate and soothe the skin. It can also help reduce inflammation and redness and promote healing. Number 5. Chia seed water. Chia seed water are a good source of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which are both essential for healthy skin. Drinking a glass of chia seeds water in the morning can help to hydrate the skin and improve its overall health. Please subscribe to the channel for get more information about health and wellness. Thank you.